Wanna know how to change your reticle scale in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So reticle scale means on the aim icon that is on the middle when you're playing the game. So you can just simply change its color as well to be response. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize it. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your settings right here. Make sure you're on the main menu. So this is the gear icon. You can just simply select it. Now once you select that, by default you should be under video right here, but make sure you are under gameplay. So just simply hit towards gameplay. So now once you select that, you can just simply scroll down until you see reticle color. It should be white by default, so you can just simply select this arrow icon to change it to whatever you want, and you can just simply select apply once you're done, and you should be good to go. Now you can just simply test it by heading towards the gameplay and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.